OFFISEEK is a factory management software running in cloud that focuses on intuitive production planning and can be used side by side with accounting systems. My name is Philip and I am product designer and founder of OFFISEEK. It is a combination of three factors. First of all, it's years of experience with managing a factory. Second, it is experience with building a global software-as-a-service startup. And also, 2 years of AI research in Xerox PARC, a Silicon Valley-based research center with inventions such as a laser printer, modern computer, and a computer mouse. The system can be customized for any factory and deployed in 10 minutes, not months. Affordable from the first month, starting from $15 per user monthly, not $10,000 before system deployment. You can access it online 24/7 from anywhere and any device, not only from the PC inside the factory. The core of the platform are intuitive dashboards where users can access all necessary data for successfully manufacturing products. If necessary data is not provided, our AI copilot can enrich data with missing documentation or manufacturing tasks. Currently, the biggest sustainability issue of all manufacturing companies is lack of qualified personnel, such as electricians, welders, facility engineers, and IT administrators. Gathering all possible knowledge about running the factory will be key to survival. The main outcomes since OFFISEEK deployment are 6% long-term savings of employee costs, 3 man-days of avoided paper management monthly, 1% revenue savings due to correct margin management, and 10 video documentary repairs in just 4 weeks. The platform is built on following principles. Uploaded documentation is encrypted so developers do not see original data. The platform requires strong passwords and accepts only secured HTTPS protocol. And last, users are given granular system permissions. Maximal control with minimal input.